Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I want to show you how add event to your calendar on your OPPO A80. Our first step to do it is opening calendar application. In it, we must tap on day when we want to add our event. Maybe on 12th. And tap on our title. We must tap there. Tap on this plus icon and event. First step, you must add title of your event. There we can set this event to calendar of our friends on group on Gmail. In this part you can set when event starts and finish, or by switch on we can set it will be all day event. There we can add this event to people calendar, repeat of that if we need it, maybe every year. What you need or customize. You can make video conference when event starts, add location of that notification, maybe 2 days before, and you can add more than one notification. There we can change color of our notification about this event. Description and attachment. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything, press save, and we have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.